Best Artificial Intelligence Books to Read in 2024. In 2024, the best AI books are expected to provide a deep dive into the latest trends, emerging technologies, and real-world applications. As artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize various industries, the need for comprehensive and up-to-date resources becomes more evident. Top AI books that will shape your perspective. 100-page Machine Learning book by Andrei Burkov. It concisely covers the fundamentals of ML, making complex concepts easy to understand. Deep Medicine: How Artificial Intelligence Can Make Healthcare Human Again by Eric Topol. Eric Topol examines the potential of AI in revolutionizing healthcare. Must-read AI books for tech enthusiasts. Artificial Intelligence: A Guide to Intelligent Systems by Michael Negnevitzky. This comprehensive guide covers a wide range of AI topics, including search algorithms, logic, machine learning, and data mining. Rebooting AI: Building Artificial Intelligence We Can Trust by Gary Marcus and Ernest Davis. Marcus and Davis critically examine the limitations of current AI systems and propose a roadmap for designing more robust and trustworthy AI. Life 3.0: Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence by Max Tegmark. Tegmark explores the potential consequences of AI advancements and contemplates the future of humanity. Conclusion: the best artificial intelligence books to read in 2024 offer a wealth of knowledge and insights from experts in the field. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, business leader, or simply curious about AI, these books will provide valuable perspectives and expand your understanding of this rapidly evolving technology.